All right, today we are doing lesson 7.2, which is dividing by 10. It's on page 257 of your GoMath book. Grab your math book and then let's get started. There are 50 students going on a field trip to the Philadelphia Zoo. The students are separated into equal groups of 10 students each. How many groups of students are there? What are we trying to find? Remember, that's always the question that they're asking. And it's at the end, how many groups of students are there? All right, so the first way they're showing us how to do it is to subtract, repeated subtraction. So we're going to subtract 10 until we reach 0. So 50 minus 10 is 40, 40 minus 10 is 30, 30 minus 10 is 20, 20 minus 10 is 10, then 10 minus 10 is 0. So you keep subtracting until you get to 0. Then down at the bottom, they counted the number of times we subtracted. So they subtracted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different times. So 50 divided by 10 is 5. So there are 5 groups of 10. Remember the repeated subtraction. You take the bottom answer and put it on the top and then subtract the 10 again. You could also use a number line. Start at 50 and count back by 10s until you reach 0. So they did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps to get back to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Next page, you can also use a multiplication table. Divide 50 divided by 10. Since division is the opposite of multiplication, you can use a multiplication table to find the quotient. Think of a related multiplication fact. Something times 10 is 50. So if we go to the 10 column and go down until we get to 50, then we have to go across, and whatever number is on the other side is going to be the unknown factor. The unknown factor is 5. So since 5 times 10 is 50, then 50 divided by 10 is going to give us 5. In step 1, is the divisor or the dividend given? Is the divisor or the dividend the given factor in the multiplication fact? We are using the divisor. So in step 2, is the divisor or the dividend the product in the related multiplication fact? So the dividend is the answer, the product in the multiplication fact. Dividend. The quotient, the answer, is the unknown factor. Number 1, down in the share and show, says use repeated subtraction to find 30 divided by 10. So 30 minus 10 is 20, 20 minus 10 is 10, 10 minus 10 is 0. So we subtracted 1, 2, 3 times to get to 0. Find the unknown factor and quotient. What times 10 is 40? 10 times 4 is 40, so 40 divided by 10 is 4. Remember, even if the answer is on the left of the equal sign, you still have to start from left to right. So you still have to take 40 and go this way. You can't do 10 divided by 40. All right, 10 times what is 60? 10 times 6 is 60. So 60 divided by 10 is 6. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 50 divided by 10 is 5. 70 divided by 10 is 7. And 90 divided by 10 is 9. Now, you can draw pictures if you need to, but since it's tens facts, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Since it's tens facts, you can just look at the first number, the number in the tens place, and that is what you're multiplying by 10. So for this number 4, 10 times 2 is 20. There's a 2 in the tens place, so that means you're multiplying 2 groups of 10, so 10, 20. There's a 5 in the tens place, so you're multiplying 5 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So you can draw a picture if you need to, or you can use the multiplication table at the top, but for these tens facts, they should be pretty easy to do without having to draw any pictures. Number 8 through 23, do by yourself. If you want to try 24 through 29, go ahead, and then you can play the video and check all your answers. If you need help with 24 to 29, do the first 8 to 23, and then play the video again and check those answers and do the other ones with me as we go. So number 8, 10 times what is 70? Look at the number in the tens spot is a 7, so 10 times 7. 7 groups of 10 will give you 70, so 70 minus 10 is 7. 10 times what is 10? One group of 10 gives us 10, so 10 divided by 10 is 1. 10 times 8 is 80. 80 divided by 10 is 10. Something times 2 is 12. So they're trying to trick you. Make sure you're paying attention. 6 times 2 is 12. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. You can make 2 rows and then keep going. Give 1 dot to each row until you get to 12. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row. All right, 50 divided by 10 is 5. 60 divided by 10 is 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Again, you can draw a picture if you need. 90 divided by 10 is 9. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 0 divided by 10 is 0. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 100 divided by 10 is 10. 40 divided by 10 is 4. 80 divided by 10 is 8. Okay? Now for these algebra ones, you'd have to do both sides and decide which side's bigger. So answer both problems. So 10 divided by 1 is 10. 40 times 10 is 40. So which one's greater? The second one. 40 is bigger than 10. So 10 is less than 40. The next one, 17 minus 6, is going to give us 11. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So 11 is greater than 9. 4 times 4 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. So since both sides equal 16, you do an equal sign. 23 plus 14 is 47. Wait, no, it's not. Oh, man. 37. 5 times 8 is 40. So 37 is less than 40. 70 divided by 10 is 7. 23 minus 16 is 7. So they equal each other. 9 times 0 is 0, and 9 plus 0 is 9. So 0 is less than 9. Okay, and let's do the last one. Use the picture graph for 30 through 32. Lyle wants to add penguins to the picture graph. There are 30 stickers of penguins. How many symbols should Lyle draw for penguins? So each stamp is 10 stickers. So 30 stickers. $30 stickers divided by 10 gives us 3. So he needs 3 symbols. Write a problem using the information from the picture graph, then solve your problem. 31. Allie has 40 monkey stickers. She wants to put 5 stickers on each page. Of her sticker book. How many pages does she need? So 40 monkey stickers divided by 5 stickers on each page gives us 8 pages. So there's the answer for 31. Number 32. Lena wants to put the monkey stickers in an album. She says she will use more pages if she puts 5 stickers on a page instead of 10 stickers on a page. Is she correct? So let's figure that out. She's putting the monkey stickers on. So figure out how many total monkey stickers there are. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40 monkey stickers. So 40 monkey stickers split into 5 pages, we just did, would be 8 pages total. And then if we did 40 monkey stickers divided by 10 on a page, that would be 4 pages. So if she said that she would use more if she puts 5 on each page, is that correct? Does she need more pages? There's 8 for 5 and 4 for 10, so she is correct. Because 5 is less than 10. So she uses twice as many pages. Explain how a division problem is like an unknown factor problem. So when we do an unknown factor problem, that's when we have the blank space. So if we did 7 times blank is 21, a division problem would be 21 divided by 7 equals blank. So the unknown factor and the quotient are the same in related facts. And then number 34, wait, that was 33. Miles has 100 cents in dimes. How many dimes does Miles have? So 100 cents divided by how much does a dime cost, or how much money is a dime worth, would be 10 cents, right? So 100 divided by 10 is going to give you 10 dimes. So the answer is C. All right, you are finished with math for the day. Put that away and get started on whatever's next on your list.